there everybody, and welcome back to the Blossom Crochet channel. My name is Rebecca, and if this is your first time visiting, then just take a quick moment now to subscribe to the channel so that you don't miss out on any of my future videos. This video is a new product announcement. So this is a new product from Siobhan's Crafts, and if you've been following my channel for a while, you know that I really love this small business. I think she's fantastic and everything she makes is amazing. And Siobhan's latest idea was to create this fabulous new product. So this is the hat in a bag kit. So inside this gorgeous project bag, which you get by the way, is everything that you will need to make an amazing crocheted hat. So let me just very quickly empty out the contents. So beside getting the beautiful bag to keep your work in, you get a full-size 100-gram hand-dyed merino yarn. So this is the colourway Silver Lining, and you can see here, as I say, it's DK, and you get approximately 225 meters, and it is a merino nylon blend. And just look at those fabulous colours. How good are they? You also get this amazing hand-dyed mohair yarn. So this, as I've just said, is mohair. It's also mohair and silk blend. So it's incredibly soft. It's not at all scratchy. And you can just see the amazing bit of added texture and snuggliness that this will bring. So this is the colourway Gumball, and you get about 168 meters in this. So it is less meters than you get with the DK yarn, but I'm only going to be using the mohair for the main body of the hat. The brim itself will be done just in the DK. So even though there's less of this, it won't matter. So you get that amazing mohair, which is just so soft, and it'll just give that little bit of extra fluffiness to your project. You also get, because what hat is complete without a lovely rainbow pom-pom? So you get this beautiful rainbow pom-pom as well, and this one is on an elasticated loop, so you'll be able to detach it for whenever you need it to go through the wash. So this is a beautiful rainbow pom-pom, and I love it. And then last but not least, you get in this lovely little pot, you get this beautiful handmade stitch marker. So obviously stitch markers are really important when you're working in rows and things, and I'm just hoping you can see that. It is full of little tiny multicoloured stars, and they are just adorable. So that is everything that you get within the kit. So you get the bag, you get the DK merino, you get the lace weight mohair, you get the pom-pom, and you get the beautiful stitch marker. So this kit is going to be on sale for £26 UK. It will go live tomorrow, which is the 26th of September at 10 AM UK time. So you'll have to be quick, because I really do think that these are going to sell out so quickly, because they're just amazing and such good value for money. Because these on their own, this is about £15. The mohair is about £6. And then you've also got the amazing pom-pom, the handmade stitch marker, the beautiful project bag as well. So it's a fabulous deal, and it would make such wonderful Christmas presents for any crafty crochet friends or family that you might have as well. So that is it. Just a disclaimer, I am not promoting this as a paid promotion. It is not an affiliate. It is purely because I love it and want to share it. I don't get any kickbacks, if you like, for promoting this product or Siobhan's business. It's just that I love her business. I think she's fabulous, and I love all of her colourways. They're just so amazing. So I will be doing a tutorial on the hat that I make with this yarn. So I'm undecided at the moment whether to film the tutorial using the actual yarn, because it it means I can't make up the hat beforehand to make sure that all of the lengths and things work. So I'm not quite sure how I'm going to do it yet, but obviously either way I will have the finished hat there to show you and then work the tutorial together with a different yarn. We'll just have to see what happens in the test runs, if you like. So that is the hat in a bag kit, which will be available Saturday the 26th at 10 AM UK time. So that is it for this video, everybody. I really hope that you like this new product of Siobhan's as much as I do. I think it's going to be a fantastic seller and I think it's going to work up really beautifully. And I'm actually going to go right now and start winding these into lovely little rainbow cakes of gorgeousness. So I will see you for another tutorial really soon. Bye for now.